Loma House, a striking testament to modern architecture, stands nestled within the undulating dunes of Costa Esmeralda, a private development along the Buenos Aires coast. Located 390 kilometers from the bustling capital and a mere 13 kilometers north of Pinamar, the development offers a unique landscape where native grasses mingle with young acacia and maritime pine forests, preserving pockets of established woodland. The specific lot, with its 22-meter frontage and 50-meter depth, presented a unique challenge, a steep dune rising 4 meters above the access road within the first 6 meters of its boundary. This dramatic topography, while initially complicating access, promised inherent privacy, shielding the house from both the public road and a neighboring property. The clients envisioned a summer retreat constructed entirely of exposed concrete, extending even to much of the interior fittings. However, they also granted the architects, Besonias Almeida Arquitectos, the freedom to introduce contrasting materials, both in color and texture, to break the stark uniformity of the concrete. Crucially, these additions had to be zero maintenance, a practical consideration for a coastal home. The programmatic requirements included an en-suite master bedroom with ample storage, 2 additional bedrooms with a shared bathroom for children and their friends, and a generous social area designed to seamlessly connect with the surrounding forest and outdoor spaces. A secure, enclosed area for beach vehicle storage and an outdoor parking space were also essential. The architect's response to the challenging topography was ingenious. Rather than altering the natural contours of the dune or disturbing the existing trees, they conceived a pedestrian pathway that transformed the initial obstacle into an architectural feature. A comfortable staircase, broken into 5 landings, ascends the slope along the edge of the lower adjacent lot. This ascent culminates at a doorway leading into a courtyard, a space inspired by the verticality of quebracho wood boards, echoing the climb itself. This courtyard serves as the heart of the house, offering privacy from neighboring eyes and extending the living space of the main rooms. Tucked into a corner of the courtyard, subtly indicated by an eave, lies the entrance to the integrated social area, encompassing living, dining, and kitchen spaces, each defined by carefully chosen concrete furnishings. With the dune ascent and room distribution strategically planned to preserve the existing trees, the final consideration was how to announce the presence of the house from the distant street. The architects achieved this by subtly disrupting the formal rigidity of the building's volume. A slight rotation of the staircase and courtyard edges breaks the orthogonality of the floor plan. This, in turn, reveals a portion of the prism enclosing the social spaces. Further manipulation, through the extension of a section of the lateral partition wall, creates a volumetric distortion that becomes visible from the street, effectively signaling the location of Loma House and welcoming visitors to its unique embrace of the dune landscape.